Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. Today we will discuss about bus topology. In the previous lectures we will discuss different type of network topologies, what are the different type of network topologies, and we will discuss first two types, which is mesh topology and star topology. Today we will discuss about bus topology. Here first of all we see what is bus topology. Here bus topology is a network in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. As we see in the picture, in the diagram, here every device, any type of network connected devices, which is computers or laptops or printers, or any other devices, connected to a single single cable, which is also called as main cable, or uh, which is called as main cable mainly, or other names are also available to this cable. Here to this cable both ends are terminated, means as we see here, one terminated and the other end is also terminated, which means both ends are terminated with terminators. And we see it transmits data from one end to another end in single direction, in single direction, no bidirectional futures is in bus topology. Here the data is also flow in only one direction only, not in bidirectional. It is the one of the important point in bus topology. Here each devices, any number of devices are connected to this main cable through a cable which is called drop cable, which is called as here, which is called as drop line or drop cable. Here the main line, this is called as main cable, main cable. As we see here, number of n number of devices can be connected easily. This is the bus topology in simply. Here we see what are the advantages and disadvantages also. First of all, we see advantages. Here, first one, in n devices are connected to each other in bus topology, then the number of cables required to connect them in is one, only one. Here we require only one cable to connect n number of devices, and we require, which is called as backbone cable, as we say, main cable or backbone cable, or other names are also there. And we require n drop wires and drop lines. As we discuss, there are n devices. If n devices are there, then it requires only one cable, main cable only, which is backbone cable. And for n devices we require n drop lines. This is the one of the major advantage. And second one is cost of cable is also less compared to other topologies, which is mesh topology. As we discuss in mesh topology and star topology, there are a number of cables are required. For mesh topology, each device is connected to each other devices. Here n into n minus 1 cables links are required. That is more expensive as compared to mesh topology. Star topology has less number of wires, cables, which is here they all the devices are connected to a single hub, but in bus topology directly connected to a main cable. So we reduces the number of cables, as also we decreases the cost of the network topology. This topology is used in built small networks. This is the one of the main advantages, and easy of installation is also one of the advantage. Here we can easily add another device also, another network also to this main bus cable. These are the advantages, and some of the disadvantages are also there. See what are they. Here in the disadvantages, if the main cable, will crash down, if crash down. If the main cable will fails means if the main cable will crash means if main cable will be cut in or any chance uh, it will lose its proper working function, then the whole system means whole network will down. It means the transmission of data, the network connection will be all the connections will be loose. So this is the one of the main disadvantage of bus topology. Here the network traffic is also one of the important. If there are n number of devices, we need to send the data to only two devices, between any two devices only. But if n number of devices suddenly started to communicate with these two here, with the number of multiple devices, then the traffic is also increases. Then these type of situations, the collisions will be occurred. So some of the data will be lost is also chances. So this is the one of the disadvantages. To avoid this, various protocols are used in MAC layer known as Aloha, slotted Aloha. These will be discussed in one network layers also. These are the disadvantages of bus topology. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe Mana Lectures.